Hello guys, and this is our second ever video on the channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how, or showing you and teaching you how to remove all viruses and things like that off your PC. This works on desktop and laptop obviously, so that's that. So the program we're going to use is called Malwarebytes. I've used it quite a few times and it is the best, pretty much the most of the best software I've used. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, I've got internet security, so have I. I've got AVG. That isn't enough. There's no way that one piece of software can get rid of absolutely everything. And I've had it in the past. I've scanned it with AVG and it goes, there is no viruses detected. And then I scan it with Malwarebytes and it says there's a virus there. And then it says where it is, what time, I think it says what time it was there, I'm not too sure. And I think it tells you where it is as well. So, and I've gone into the file and I've seen it and it's actually there. So that's that. I'm not saying AVG isn't very good, but any software, any company, I don't think they could ever, in the foreseeable future, they will be able to make a piece of software that does absolutely everything. But obviously, new hackers and people who create viruses and creating them all the time to get past firewalls and stuff like that. So let's just go in there. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use whatever you want, and go straight to Google and just type in Malwarebytes. It's already there. I'll put a link in the description to the website. It's malwarebytes.org and it's free anti-malware download. Click on that, and as it says in here, taking the bite out of malware, because your antivirus alone isn't enough. So let's see how it works, just to give you guys just the just a rough estimate. So this is for the Pro, but the Pro you have to pay for. Lightning fast rapid scanning, a comprehensive threat database update, constantly performs full scans on all drives. So any drives that are plugged into a PC does absolutely all of them. Malwarebytes anti-wear real-time protective protection with purchase, and got other features. You can use this for XP, Vista 7, 32-bit or the 64-bit. So that's pretty much it. There's been 200 million downloads worldwide, 5 billion pieces of malware recovered, 7 years dedicated in fighting malware, and there's 97% of all online threats are malware. So let's just go to the download now, and this should be the free version. Brings you straight to CNET, and if everybody knows, CNET is top notch, don't have any viruses on the website at all. So just go to download now, and we're just waiting for this to download. Should pop up, there we go. Let's just save this to the desktop. You can save it in downloads if you want, and it's just going to take a few seconds to download. Okay, so now it's downloaded, we're going to just get off that. It doesn't matter what's name, internet browser you use. Go to desktop and double click on the application. Allow it with your AVG. Yes, I want to allow. Run, and you might hear my dogs in the background. Yes, again. And then you want to do English or whatever language you're in, but if you're watching this video, I would imagine you'd use your English. Go next. I accept. You can read through that. Most people don't, to be honest. This is just saying, what you're going to install, whatever it is. Issues are fixed in the update and stuff. Next. Start with create programs shortcut. Yeah. If you don't want to make a menu folder, which means it won't be, down here in here somewhere, then we're all good. Click next. I don't want it to make a desktop icon, and install, because I like to keep my desktop nice and tidy. See, done straight away. Enable free trial of Malwarebytes Pro, so you can have the free trial if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Update Malwarebytes, launch Malwarebytes. So it's finish, and that will automatically launch it. Connecting to the server, allow. Oh, that's why. So this is just connecting to the server and things like that. So it's quite fast software. We can close our internet now. Get rid of that. Downloading. The database was successfully updated from version blah 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 to blah blah blah. So let's just start with Malwarebytes. There we go. Right. So you can go perform a quick scan. So you just tick quick scan, scan, perform full scan, perform flash scan. So a quick scan. A quick scan utilizes our unique fast scanning technology to scan your system of malicious software. Perform the full scan. A full scan will scan all files on the drive or drives. A quick scan is recommended in most cases. So that's if you want to get down deep in absolutely every file. A flash scan will analyze memory and auto-run objects if it is only available to our licensed users. So we have protection, so you can start your free trial on the protection. If you buy the full version, you get all this for whatever you pay for. I'm not too sure how much it is. Or if you get a code, you can activate it there. You've got all about the update. You've got quarantine, so if there's anything in quarantine, you've got the logs. Ignore logs, so anything you've asked the Malwarebytes to ignore. The settings, just keep all this default unless you want to things like that, just general stuff. Settings, update, schedule, so you can't do that because it's for registered users. More tools and about. So let's just go and do a quick scan. See, it's pretty fast. It's telling you down here what files it's doing, how long it's eclipsed, what type of scan you're doing, how many objects have been detected that are virus, and how many objects have been scanned. Okay guys, so now it is finished. It says how long it took. It took 3 minutes and 29 seconds. This is basically the log kind of thing, telling you what it was. So saying what version, where it's from, what database it's on, what Windows it is, and things like that. Obviously, that's me, for stuff like that. And it's detected no malicious items at all, so that's good, and it only took 3 minutes to do. So that's that. So the scan is completed successfully. No malicious items were detected. So that's all good, and that's how many files are on the PC. The scans the operating system and everything. So obviously there's going to be nothing here except for the logs, the last log I did. So that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. This was the tutorial on how to get rid of most viruses. Thanks for watching, and look out for our other videos.